Say what you just said again. What did you say? Don't want?
No.
Can you say it again?
No.
Show me what you did with your hand. What does that mean? Say it.
But.
But?
No. The one.
Don't want?
No. Apple, Mommy.
Oh, the iPad? You tell me with the iPad? Here. Here. What is it? Here, I'll hold your puppets for a minute. Go ahead.
Field trip.
A field trip?
No.
No.
But.
The bus?
Yeah.
Oh, is there a bus? Let me see that, Will. There is. I can't get it to zoom out properly, but there's a school bus in that picture. You were saying something about the bus?
Yeah.
What about the bus?
Uh,
There's a bus over here. School bus?
School bus.
What were you saying about the bus?
no. I see two black.
You want to see a school bus? Oh, wait. Wheels on the bus?
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
The song?
Yeah.
Or were you saying go round?
No.
Oh. Wheels on the bus go round and round. Do you know what? You have a button that says wheels on the bus. Do you want to see it?
Yeah.
We made one for Maya. It might be. No, hold on a second. Let's look for it. Type in wheels. Look, Buggy. Okay, find it.
Wheels on the bus.
Is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wheels on the bus. All right. You want to sing it while we walk? Okay, I'll take the talker. You want to give me? Thank you.